Welcome to the news, because time is ticking and it's your move, because this is just like trades and we going to the moon, or maybe not. Anyway, I hope you do appreciate my rhymes and hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button to support the channel as we keep you up to speed with what's going on in the market. Just a quick glance at the market behavior in general. You can see a lot of meme coins trending. Not really a big fan of meme coins. I've been burnt a bit on some meme coins, but it's generally just gambling. That's how I see it. For now, I'm just a value-based investor and looking at quality coins to put my money when I do have them. I don't have money all the time, but when I do try to invest in something very meaningful. So a quick glance at the market. In general, you can see BTC is still around 26k. Just remember this 26k because that's part of the news that I will be giving to you, a very hot one, a very important one for BTC. If you like history, this one is quite funny at the same time. Quite, you'd be like, what if that was me? And then you have Ethereum, which is the second biggest cryptocurrency and the first smart chain blockchain, smart contract blockchain, Ethereum. You have stablecoin USDT. You have the Binance BNB, USDC, which is still a stable coin. Whenever you see stable coins being this high, it tells you the market is generally bad, because you want to ideally move your money to somewhere stable to protect your wealth. So you have XRP currently in a lawsuit with the SEC of the United States, and you have ADA, Cardano, also a layer one blockchain, and you have Dogecoin. To be honest, not really a great fan of Dogecoin, but it doesn't really matter. Then you have the layer two Polygon, which is built to speed up or to what do you call it again? Reduce the fees and to basically upscale Ethereum. So it's a layer one, a layer two on Ethereum. So you have another layer one called Solana. Had a few issues in the past, but I think they are quite doing all right at this moment, with a very high market cap of above 7 billion. So let's jump straight to what we're about to discuss today. So here you can see Bitcoin Pizza Day 2023. So today is the 22nd of May, and this is called a Bitcoin Pizza Day. And you can imagine somebody at that time bought a pizza worth $40 using 10,000 BTC. Can you imagine that? 10,000 BTC. So Bitcoiners around the world try to remember this day because this was one of the first recorded transactions done with BTC. So you can imagine. So if the BTC was obviously 10,000, but at that point, 13 years ago, was only worth $40. And if you had a look at this information here, you can see the individual there called Lazio trying to purchase 2 boxes of pizza, pepperoni pizza, for $40, and he paid in BTC. And as of then, he paid using 10,000 BTC. And currently, if he had held that BTC, obviously nobody knows, this was probably at the early stages of Bitcoin. If he had held it back, that would have been he would have been sitting on $266 million at this point. And remember, BTC was nearly $70,000 as of late 2021 when the market topped, before we started going down due to inflation and some other fraud about China banning the cryptocurrency in their country. Then you have the Luna collapse and also the FTX collapse. Probably, if you check on the internet, you'll see a lot of information about all this collapse that I'm talking about. So it's crazy, isn't it? So imagine if that was you. I wonder, this guy, is he still there? This Lazio guy, I wonder how he feels now. I hope wherever he is that he's doing quite well, because if it were me, I would be definitely kicking myself. Then on the other side, these Papa John's that they actually bought the pizza from using this BTC, who knows? Did they keep the Bitcoin, or did they spend it as well? I would really like to know about this. If you have any information about what really happened to this 10,000 BTC, I would really like to know. So some people were trying to break it down to see how much it really cost to have those toppings on the pizza. So the pepperoni would have cost around 244 BTC, which is 6.5 million. Bacon of about 3.4 million. You can imagine mushrooms of 1.6 million, because as of then it was 63 BTC. God's sake, this is crazy. Obviously nobody knows, but it's just the only teaching you have to learn from here is patience. Really, patience, especially if you understand something, or if you feel you understand something. The game is patience. So because a lot of people jump into the market and looking for a quick cash grab, and that doesn't normally happen in crypto unless you're very lucky. So that's it for the most expensive pizza ever, currently of about 266 million. And you can imagine in the next probably 5 years, if BTC is going up, it would even get more expensive, because BTC would have appreciated in price as well. So happy pizza day for Bitcoin. And for all you Bitcoiners out there, smash the like button and subscribe and support the channel. So another very important thing that we need to discuss here is about HOTBIT. So HOTBIT is another a Bitcoin exchange, a centralized exchange that is halting operation, urges users to withdraw their funds. So if you're using HOTBIT, I would say go ahead and withdraw your funds ASAP. They are halting operations, so get out your money, put them in a cold wallet. We've talked about cold wallet a lot in this channel. Look at some of the options that we discussed, and looking to getting yourself one or learning how to use one. Worst case scenario, get yourself a hot wallet, which is like an app you can get on your mobile phone as well. So get out of HOTBIT if you're using that. This one is very urgent. And again, not your keys, not your crypto. If your crypto gets trapped in there, you don't have access to it. Again, you don't have access to it. So HOTBIT, I was just curious, and I was looking for HOTBIT around, some of the exchanges, top exchanges, and I couldn't really, going down the whole list that you have on CoinMarketCap, I can't really find HOTBIT. But I'm quite sure if you had a quick search, maybe let's say HOTBIT. Let's say HOTBIT token. Let's see. Ranked about 8,453. So their token is not really doing well. If you look at all the data they have here since June 2021, or maybe around June 2021, their token hasn't been doing well. Even as of June 2021 was around the ending of June 2021 that the market topped. So they've been going down since then. And to be honest, to be fair, this is the same across the board. Every asset has been going down since the market topped around the ending of 2021. So nobody really knows. But what I can say is that a lot of companies are struggling during this financial hardship, during these inflations. So companies, it's getting too expensive to get access to funds, in addition to the fact that a lot of banks are cutting off crypto exchanges. So the governments in general are trying to reduce access to crypto because they feel crypto, is some sort of a risk to the economy. And to be honest, that was really why BTC was created, because Satoshi Nakamoto got tired of the way finance was handled generally, and resulted to creating a trustless and open system for transaction that is open to everybody to verify, which is why BTC is verifiable and trustless, and it's immutable. So the transactions are permanent. You cannot delete them, so we can always verify it, which is one very good thing about BTC or blockchain technology in general. So get your stuff out. If you're using HOTBIT, go into a hot or cold wallet. So again, another exchange called HOIBI Global ordered to halt operations in Malaysia. So if you're living in Malaysia, again, the same advice to you: move to a hot wallet or move to a cold wallet. Protect your assets. And at this point, after the FTX issue, you shouldn't really be leaving a lot of things on the exchanges, because it's very risky. Again, not your keys, not your crypto. We should all learn from that. Okay. So again, an issue around another wallets. So again, it's not just moving into a wallet. Think about the wallet you're moving into. Is Metamask withholding customers cryptos for taxes? No, it's not. So it's basically the company trying to defend themselves, because there was a policy pushed out on Metamask. Metamask is a hot wallet, a very popular hot wallet used by almost everybody for DeFi's. So the new policy suggested they had access to people's funds, and sorry, that created a bit of FUD. Whenever you hear me say FUD, that means fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the cryptocurrency market. So that has been going on, and the company is trying to clarify that, saying that is not the case. So I think this is the company behind MetaMask trying to clarify that. And that's it from me. Thanks a lot for spending your time with us this evening or afternoon or morning, wherever you are from. Please support the channel, click on the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.